Any last words?
Yo, turn this music off.
Yeah, tell me your last words real quick.
Fuck Kyle Donaldson.
Ready? We're good to go.
You on?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, we already broke the rope. I think we're still good.
Damn, it's really hard to see them. Yeah, keep tapping the brakes. Yeah. He looks like it. He's good. I need some more light though. I think so. Yeah, dude. He's trying to stand up. Give me some light. Give me some light, damn it. Keep giving me light, man.